The element is, you know, environmentally wise. We had an application years ago. In fact, it's for a company that Kent here works for, and it's up north in Kentucky. And they kept saying, well, the motor, every time it moves to one end and sits there, it faults out. And they can't understand why. Okay? Well, here's the application. Here's this big machine here, and here's this transfer area where they drop in carpet that goes in a car. And then they come over here and they push it inside of here. And this is an oven that heats it up. And then it drops into the floorboard-based mold. So they heat up the carpet, it sinks down into this mold, and then they pull it out this side and let it cool down. Well, what they were doing is they were dropping the carpet off here, transferring it over to here, pushing it in, and then sitting here, and then going back. Okay? So the motor driving it is driving a rack and pinion, so the motor moves along with it. The motor's over here, the motor's over here, it transfers it in, it comes back out, and moves out here. The problem is that they left it right here. So here's a 500-degree heating oven that was dropping heat out on the motor. And they kept saying it keeps faulting, it gets in here, and then it stays there and it won't move out of there. Well, it was reaching a thermal limit. The motor was not overloaded. The heat from the oven was dropping heat all over the motor. I said, how long does it take to drop it off there? They said, oh, about 5 seconds. I said, okay, then move all the way back to here. They said, oh, we never thought of that. Okay. So all they did was they changed the program. Instead of stopping here and waiting before they moved back to get to the next one, they went all the way in and they stopped here waiting for the next one. That was it. But it was an application thing where you didn't even know heat was involved. So make sure you understand what their process is. Okay? Another one is gaseous environment, explosion proof, ideas like that. Okay? Has anyone had any questions from customers asking if our motors are explosion proof?
Not often.